Hey, what's up guys, this is Minecraft Dual Commentary. This is another tutorial on how to host, but this is on 1.3.1. A lot of people are having issues hosting their servers, and I figured out the problem why people really can't connect. If you're hosting with port forwarding, there's some issues with port forwarding right now, so you're going to need to download the program called Nogui and Hamachi. A lot of people know about Hamachi already, people who can't host because they can't port forward. That's what people have been using. So if you don't know what it is, there's a link in the description to the website for Hamachi. I'm pretty sure you'll have to make an account, but it's worth it because it's easy to host. It's easier to host servers with this than have to go through port forwarding. And the place you're gonna want to get your server is not from Bukkit, because at the moment Bukkit does not have a version for 1.3.1 is 1.2.5, and if you're trying to use Bukkit, this is why it's saying outdated client, because you can't use Bukkit at the moment. I will make another tutorial when you can use Bukkit and how to use Bukkit and make it work with 1.3.1 and how to install mods and things like that. There are no mods at the moment, so I highly suggest backing up your Minecraft.jar before you update your Minecraft to 1.3.1. I've already done so. It's on my desktop right now. So basically, once you update your Minecraft, remember, you have to update your Minecraft. If for some reason you're getting errors and you dumped everything in this video, force update your Minecraft. Don't install any mods, because there's some issues with mods right now. Even if the mods are updated, there's still some issues with some mods. So if you can't get anything to work, just don't install any mods and force update your Minecraft, and it will reset your .jar. There's some texture packs that are having some issues with 1.3.1, so just wait a little bit and they'll all be updated. So what you're going to do is go to minecraft.net, and this is where you're going to download the server. You can either download it the easy way with the .exe, which I'll be demonstrating in the video, or you can download it with the server, which is what I use, because you can make it use more memory, which makes people lag less. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Minecraft server.exe. And before you do anything, I'm going to show you on Hamachi how you get people to be able to connect to your server. First, you create a new network and you name it whatever you want. And if you want a password so random people can't join, you just do that. And then you tell your friend the name of it and the password, and they go to join existing network and they type in your network ID and your password. And to make sure that you're connected to that person, if you go to the person, you click ping, and it doesn't say pinging with 32 bits of data, and then it says times out. Like, it says times out now, but that's just a person I can't, like, if it says request timed out, you're having some connection problems with that person, but that's not the person I'll be connecting to the server. So once you have Hamachi working, you have to make sure that Hamachi's working. You have to make sure that obviously you're connected to the internet, the other person's connected to the internet. And so basically the easy way to host a server is use the Minecraft server.exe, but the other person on the other side of the server might have some lag issues. So I'll show you guys how to fix those. And the reason that servers are not working, if you're getting a connection error or like any other errors, what you're gonna have to do is start your server. And then once your server starts, it's going to make a bunch of folders, and I'll show you what to do inside these folders. Wait for it to spawn the whole area before you do anything. Don't touch this until the whole area spawned, or you might have some chunk errors in your world. So I highly recommend you wait till that's done, then you type in stop to stop your server. This is how you correctly stop your server. If you don't do it like that, sometimes it will mess up, and then you wait for it to save all the chunks. Still waiting for it to save all the chunks. The first time you stop that takes a while. So what you're going to do to be able to for people to join your server is the default port is always 25565. That has to be 25565. If your friend is on a cracked client, you'd have to turn online mode to false. So if you have somebody on a cracked client, that's what you have to do. And what you need to do is get your Hamachi IP, which is not your computer's IP, so you can tell anybody this IP without being worried. Mine is 5.196.148.190. And you type that in the server IP spot. There's no space there. It's just server IP equals and then that. Some people are having issues with the space in between there. There might be a space there by default. Make sure there is not a space there. And once you have that done, you have to add the person in to ops folder, or else they cannot connect. Like, you might get lucky if people connect, but usually nobody will be able to connect unless you put their name in the apps folder. And you do it like this. This is how you order the apps. So. And then like so on. That's how you would order the apps. You have to make sure there's no space here and there's no space at the end of their names, or it will not work. Then you save that. Make sure it's saved. You go back in and make sure, because you have to have the apps now. For some reason, there's an error at the moment where people cannot connect if they're not opt. That's at least the way that I fixed people being able to connect, and basically nobody else really. Well, a lot of people know about it, but the majority of the population that are trying to host servers right now cannot get them work because they're not opt on your server. Now the person in my Skype call, Matt, I'm gonna unmute him now so you guys can hear him. All right, Matt, try and start getting ready to join the server now. I'm gonna open up Minecraft just to prove that 1.3.1 you can connect. As you can see, I'm on Minecraft 1.3.1, and this is my server. All right, Matt, get in the server. It's quite laggy. I mean, I've noticed with the update there's huge amounts of lag. I'm getting 5 FPS versus I was getting 100 FPS before. And there's Matt. PvP is enabled, so let's fight to the death. I'm gonna win because I have host advantage. Good fight. Oh, what? You're not even by me and you're hitting me. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of errors with like where people are standing versus like I don't even know where you are right now. This is not fair. They have a lot of errors to fix. They thought they were going to release 1.3.1 and there's going to be no bugs, but there was bugs, people joining the servers, and as you can see, he's not even near me, and he's just like right there. They have some bugs to fix, let's just say that. So, me and my friend are probably going to be playing on 1.2.5 unless mods get upgraded to this version soon, which is Bukkit, and yeah, when Bukkit comes out with the server, I will show you guys how to host that. And before I end off the video, I'm going to show you guys how to host with the .jar file. So what you have to do is you have to right click new text document and you name it run server or whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you save it. And then inside this you type in my server. You type in this right here. This will be in the description. You have to copy this. No. What did I just do? Alright, yeah, this will be in the description. It has to be like this exactly, and you have to make sure, I didn't mention this in the last video, but the Minecraft.jar, the server.jar file has to be called this. You have to rename it to be that exactly. So what you need to do, get your Minecraft server.jar in there, and make sure it's named what it is in the .bat file you'll be creating, which is Minecraft.jar. And 2048 means I'm forcing it to run with 2 gigabytes of RAM, which makes your server lag less for the other people on the other side, but you will lag more because your computer uses more memory, which means your Minecraft can't use as much memory. But to solve that issue, I have a .bat that runs Minecraft with at least 2 gigabytes of memory. And if you guys want to do that, I'll just ask me in the description below, and I'll show you guys how to run Minecraft and get like 100 FPS. Before I was doing a bunch of things I started doing, I got like 20 FPS with farm rendering, and now I get like 100. So I fixed quite a few things. And once you have that done, you save as, and you could put it anywhere, but it has to be basically in the same folder as the server, which is new folder, and then you name it as not Netflix account. You save it as, delete everything there and change save as to all files and run.bat. And if it's not a bat file, you have to make sure it looks like this, or make sure you're in Windows. Obviously this whole tutorial is only going to work for Windows, and then you run it, and that runs with 2 gigabytes of memory, and it will make your server run faster. And you might notice a little bit less lag, but definitely other people on the server will notice less lag, and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped out people who are having issues hosting servers in 1.3.1 that are going to want to host vanilla. But I'm hoping Bukkit will update so that you can host 1.3.1 in a couple days. Last time 1.2.5 came out, I don't remember how long it took, but I'm hoping it's sometime soon, and all the mods I'm using I hope get updated to the same to 1.3.1, so that all the mods I was using before I can still use, and I don't have to change mods, and it'll be all annoying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have anything wrong with yours, you can't get it working, make sure you did everything right, because if you do one thing wrong, it will mess up the whole thing. And if you're still having issues after trying again, let me know in the description what exactly is happening, and I will try to help you out in the comment section below. I will see you guys later. Peace.